There is row brewing in the political circle over the lifting of the ban on government employees from associating with the RSS. The Congress party has claimed that the BJP-led government at the center has lifted a ban on government employees from associating with the RSS. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. This row started after the Congress leaders posted a notice according to which it can be seen that the government has lifted a decade-old ban on government employees from indulging in activities of the RSS. Congress's Jairam Ramesh has claimed that a ban which was imposed in 1966 restricting government employees from associating with the RSS has been lifted. Back in 1966, under the Congress government's rule, the government employees were restricted from associating with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS and the Jamaat-e-Islami. The Congress party is now questioning the alleged lifting of the ban. They are also questioning the timing of this. Congress says that this comes after PM Modi saw strains in his relations with the RSS. On the other hand, RSS has welcomed the centre's decision to lift the ban on government employees participating in Sangh's activities. It said that this decision will boost the country's democratic system. Moreover, RSS has also accused the previous governments of imposing the ban in the past. Now let's understand where it all started. If we look back in the past, then RSS was banned by the Congress government multiple times. The first ban was imposed by country's first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister Sardar Patel after the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. However, the ban was later lifted by Congress itself over the assurance of good behavior from the RSS. Then again in 1966, a fresh ban was introduced. This was to restrict government employees from associating with RSS. Now, as this debate is brewing, the BJP is speaking in support of the lift in ban. BJP's Amit Malviya in defense has said that ban on RSS was unconstitutional. He further stated that the ban in 1966 was imposed after there was a massive anti-cow slaughter protest in the parliament. Let's understand what could happen next after this lift in ban. Now, all the government employees who were not allowed to participate in RSS activities would be free to indulge in RSS activities. This would include all the government employees who are working either at the center or state level. Now, this was a news factor in this story. Let's look at it from the point of view of politics. This ban on RSS was lifted on July 9, 2024. This comes amid the tensions between the RSS and PM Modi, and especially during the times when RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has made some statements targeting PM Modi and BJP. In fact, Indiresh Kumar, who is National Executive Member of RSS, post Lok Sabha results had slammed BJP of arrogance. He had said while targeting BJP that the party which did the bhakti of Lord Ram but became arrogant was stopped at 240. The party was made the biggest party but was stopped at 240 by Lord Ram due to arrogance. Mohan Bhagwat, in fact, a few days ago had said that some people want to become Superman, Devta and Bhagwan. The statement of Mohan Bhagwat was seen to be targeting PM Modi. The strains are completely visible now. Most important thing is that the timing of lift in ban completely coincides with the strain in RSS-BJP relations. Are these strains an after effect of the Lok Sabha results? Is this BJP's effort to keep RSS happy? Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.